Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. Today we are going to learn functional interface. What is functional interface? An interface which have only one method. Such interface is called as functional interface, or interface which have a single abstract method. Such kind of interface is called as functional interface. JDK 8 provide one of the annotation for functional interface. For example, this is a sample interface, and annotation for the functional interface is @ functional interface. This is annotation they provide for identifying the functional interface. So you can use this annotation on the top of the interface. But suppose I want to create multiple objects inside the interface. At that time, such kind of interface will not become a functional interface. Suppose I want to create one more method here. In such case, this interface is not a functional interface. An interface that only have only one method. Such kind of interface only called functional interface. Now take a look a sample example for functional interface. Suppose I have one interface. Let us create a package simple feature. I have interface parent, and there is a method public void message @ functional interface is the annotation. Now create one implementation class. Implements from parent, and override the method public void message. And public static void main. Parent IMPL is equal to new parent IMPL. Parent IMPL dot message. So this is a simple example for the functional interface. Now let us save this example and let us run this example. Parent IMPL dot Java. Now let us run. Java C -t dot parent IMPL dot Java. Oops. Instead of comma, we need to write dot Java. Compile successfully. Now let's run. Simple dot feature dot parent IMPL. So friend, this is how you can write a functional interface. Now let us take some more example around the functional interface. Here package simple dot feature I have interface parent. This is my non-functional interface, and it has one method, public void m1. There is another interface called child. This is my functional interface. So this is annotation for functional interface. Now my child interface extend parent interface, and in my child interface there is a method public void m2. Now create a test class to test this functionality. This class implements child interface and override public void m1 and m2 method. This is a m1 method. System.out.println. This is m2 and one main method public static void main. String arguments of. Now create the object, call the method. So friend, this is a test class, and there is an interface and non-functional interface, and one is functional interface. In this combination, if you see that, let us save this program. In this example, my non-functional interface, that is nothing but the parent, having one single abstract method here, and this is my functional interface having m2 method. In this combination, if my functional interface means this child interface extend non-functional interface, nothing but the parent, and in that non-functional interface, if there is a single abstract method, in that case it will show the compile time error. Now let us compile this code. javac -d dot testshell.java. So it is showing compile time error. If I will remove this method, let us compile. So the compile time error has gone. So you need to take care while your functional interface extending another non-functional interface, and if non-functional interface contain single abstract method, so in that case it will show compile time error. Instead of single abstract method, let us declare default m1 method system.out.println. This is m1 method. And you can call this m1 method here. Let's compile this code. Java C -d test child of Java. So it is compiled successfully. Simple dot feature dot test child. So this is how your program is running. Now take a look at another example. In this example, there is a package simple dot feature and there is interface parent. There is one more interface child is another interface. Both are a functional interface. In this interface, there is a method, single abstract method, public void m1, and in this functional interface, there is a method called m2. Now to test this functionality, let us create a class test child. Let us create the main method. Now this class is implement. Child interface and override public void m1. This is m1. Public void m2 system.out.println. This is the m2. Now friends, there are two interfaces, both are functional interface. Child functional interface extends parent functional interface and it has a m1 method, it has m2 method. Let us serve this example. Copy, save. Now if you see that both the functional interface, child interface extending the parent, but parent interface having m1 method and child interface having m2 method. This is in this case it will show compile time error. Now let us compile this code and let us check. Before that one, let us create the object. Let's call m1 method, and m2 method. Let's save and compile. Java C -d dot. So it is unexpected functional interface annotation. This is compile time error it will show. Means if one functional interface extend another functional interface, then the another functional interface contain m1 method, and the functional interface who is extending another one, it has contain another method. In that case it will show compile time error. Instead of this one, you have to use the same abstract method inside the child interface, or inside the interface where you are extending your parent method, or you are using the parent method. So you need to change here. Same method has to declare inside the child interface also. So this combination you have to follow. Now let us compile this, comment this code, and let us compile this code. So error has gone. Now let us run this example. So this is how your code will be run. So you need to take care, while one functional interface extending another interface, functional interface, both interface should have same method. If both interface is not have, or both interface should not have the same method, in that case it will show compile time error. Now let us take one more example. Now in this example, suppose there is a package and there is an interface called sample interface. In that interface there is a method called m1. So this is @functional interface is the annotation. So such kind of interface is called functional interface, a functional interface which have a single abstract method. If you take more method inside the functional interface, it will show error and your program will not run. Now let us test this example. Class sample test implements sample, override the method public m1. println this is m1. Public static void main. System.out. Sorry. To create the object, test. Now let's save this example and let us run. java c append dot sample test.java. So this compile file, sample feature, and it is also running. If you see here, there is only one single abstract method here. Let me add some more method and let me check whether it will allow me or not. So public int hashcode, public string to string, public boolean equals object provision. Now let's save and compile. And let's run this example. It is compiled successful. Simple dot feature dot sample test. So friends, your program is running successfully. Means in functional interface, if you wanted to write multiple methods, you can write multiple methods, you can declare multiple methods. It will not show any compile time error. But if you see that hash code, toString and equals, these are the object methods, object class methods. If you declare object class methods inside the functional interface, then it will allow you to declare that method also. So friends, this is all about functional interface. Hope you like this video tutorial. So friends, in my next video tutorial, I will explain predicate and function. Till then, take care. Thank you.